It really feels like it's all hands on deck right now for a common goal against a common enemy. We are not taking care of patients in hallway beds right now, but we don't want it to get to that point. We're not aiming for good enough. We are aiming for great care. And in order to do that, we need to see a decrease in the patients coming into the hospital for preventable diseases like COVID. I really hope that the community understands that the nurses and the doctors are tired of this too. We don't want to have to do these precautions anymore either, but the only way we're going to get through it and get to the other side is if we all work on it together. Despite the patient volumes and the constant changes in protocols, we are still providing fantastic care.